All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. We are in Merida, Mexico, and I'm so pumped because this is the home of Yucutan cuisine, and we're gonna go for a big street food tour. Check it out. What's up, guys? Huge Yucatan street food tour coming up for you. Packed with 5 amazing street foods that you can find in the Yucutan Peninsula, all right here in Merida. Today, we're traveling to Merida from Oaxaca to try tons of amazing street food, like an amazing Yucatan-style breakfast, some delicious seafood on the seaside, the most juicy pork sandwiches you can imagine, and more, with a bonus monster-sized al pastor taco. So make sure to watch all the way until the end so you can enjoy all of these amazing street foods. Let's eat. Adios. Awesome, guys. I'm so excited because right up ahead there is a classic Yucatan breakfast joint and we're gonna go try it out. Okay, here we are, guys. Huevos Motulenos, up the stairs. Mexican breakfast heaven. Let's go take a look. I want to see these eggs. Hola, señor. Oh, es Huevos Motulenos. Oh, look at this, guys. Huevos Motulenos. And that is a fried egg on top of a crispy tostada. There's plantains, there's cheese, there's chili and tomato and ham. Oh, and look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. That is just incredible. And that is what we ordered. And we're gonna, and he's topping it with chili, with a habanero, I believe. Look at all that cheese. Oh, I can't wait to try that. That is classic Yucatan cuisine. Gracias, Torita. Gracias. What an amazing Yucatan-style breakfast. So you can see there is plantains, fried plantains. This white cheese is called queso de boya. And that is a Dutch white cheese. There's ham, there's tomatoes. And then underneath, there's 2 fried eggs. Oh yeah, look in there. Oh yeah. There's 2 fried eggs on top of a tostada with refried beans. And then they also give you a habanero. And that, I believe that is about 150 times more spicy than a jalapeno. They also gave some longaniza sausage with some refried beans here and some fried onions and a beautiful smoked chipotle salsa. Look at the color there. And then we also have some chaya tortilla. So these are tortillas. You can put any of the eggs or the ham or the tomato or the plantains on there and wrap them up with chaya, a local herb. And then we also have a cold chaya drink. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Cut that. Oh, fried egg. Look at the yolk. Look at the yolk. Look at all the tomato and ham and cheese, refried beans, crispy tostada. See if we can get a plantain on there as well. Oh. Oh, it's all about the fried plantain. It's sweet, the egg is soft, there's that slightly runny, slightly firm yolk. Beautiful, and there's a crunch in there. And you've got the cheese and the ham and the tomato. That is a very nice, soothing, comfort breakfast. We're just gonna go in. Oh! Oh, muy picante. Muy picante. Oh, habanero. Woo. Bueno. Oh, I took a big bite out of that. That is painfully, I don't even know if I can say that is good, but there is a bit of euphoria there. You feel the sweat coming out of your face. My mouth is just, After cooling down from that intensely spicy habanero, we said bye to the friendly owner. Gracias. Muy rico. Muy rico. Gracias. Adios.
Cuídate mucho.
Adios, gracias. Wow. Bye-bye. 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 That was so flavorful, and we got a ton more street food to eat today. Bye-bye. Made our way to the local market in Merida to search for the famous Cochinita Pibil, slow roasted pork. But first, found a friendly lady selling some delicious corn flour tamales right in the lane of the market. Hola, hola, señora. Oh, ¿qué es esta?
Son tamalitos colados.
Oh, tamale.
Sí.
Oh, tamale. Uno este, por favor.
¿Va a llevar?
Aquí, parte aquí. Gracias. Oh yeah, look at this. So this is a banana leaf. Oh, increíble.
¿Dónde vienen?
Canadá.
Hasta la...
Canadá.
¿Con
Nice.
salsita? Pica.
Okay, picante.
Sí.
Oh, salsa.
Sí.
Okay.
Poquito.
Okay, gracias. Oh yeah.
Cucharita.
Gracias. Look at this, guys. So there's corn flour, and on top here she put a thick tomato salsa, and I think there's actually a bit of habanero in there. And then let's get in there into the middle and see. There should be a bunch of chicken. Oh yeah, a bit of chicken in there. Nice. Tomato salsa, achiote seed. I'm loving how everything here in Mexico is stained red. A lot of stuff is stained red with achiote seed. It's a little peppery, spicy, and the corn flour. This corn flour here is just full of flavor. Let's see what it tastes like. Mmm. Oh, that corn flour. You'll just fall in love with how much flavor is in the corn. And this salsa, oh, that's actually very spicy. Mmm, this market is just awesome.
Next up, just a couple steps further into the market, we found the true pork joy. The slow roasted pork Cochinita Pibil, served in a corn flour tortilla or inside as a sandwich. And right when you walk up and see just how busy this whole place is and how many locals are crowding around just to eat one, you know it's gonna be good.
Awesome. I think we just found the meat jackpot here. Cochinita Pibil pork and baby pig. Oh yeah, look at what he's making here. Wow. Hola, señor.
Hola, primo.
Hola, wow. ¿Qué es Cochinita Pibil?
Cochinita Pibil.
Oh.
Y lechón horneado.
Y lechón.
Horneado.
Oh, lechón.
Horneado.
Hornado.
Horneado.
Baby pig.
Torta.
Oh, torta y taco. Oh, wow. Wow. Increíble. Uno torta de Cochinita Pibil, por favor. Y uno taco de lechón, por favor. Awesome. Look at this. The meat is just so soft. Look at that. He's going to put that Cochinita Pibil fatty, juicy pork onto a torta sandwich, French bread, and pickled onion on there. Wow. That just looks so juicy. It's like the ultimate pulled pork. And then look at that taco with lechon, baby pig, and onion. Oh, and chicharrón. Gracias, señor. Oh, gracias. This is gonna be so good.
YouTube,
YouTube.
Cochinita, porky.
Oh, cochinita.
Do you want to eat porky light?
Awesome.
Pork.
We found the meat jackpot here. Look at this, guys.
Horchata, mami.
Isn't that the most beautiful meat sanctuary you've ever seen? All of that fatty pork. And you can actually see banana leaves, and it's just incredible. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The most beautiful. Oh, the bread just looks like it's saturated. And he's put some pickled onion on there, but I'm gonna add a little more. And I believe there's also some habanero in there. That should be spicy. Oh yeah. Hit me up. YouTube. And then we've also got this chile de árbol powder here. And we can add that on top of this cochinita. Oh, they put that in the ground and with orange juice and achiote seeds. And then we've also got the lechon baby pig taco there. This is just gonna be pure beauty. That is the ultimate pulled pork. That is just insane. They actually make this with a marinade of sour orange juice and achiote paste. There's black pepper. I can actually taste a bit of cinnamon and cumin in there. Maybe some cloves and garlic too. Oh, but the best part is just the incredible softness, the fatty flavor. Oh, and those onions are a little sour, and there's definite spice kick in there. This is what it's all about here.
Next up, right before heading to the beach for a super seafood feast, we stumbled on a bonus street snack you can find all over Mexico, the al pastor taco. And right when you walk up and see the size of the rotating pork on a spit, stained red from achiote seed, sizzling, and all the juice is bursting, you just get this urge to eat it. So we ordered up a few al pastor tacos to keep us happy before our seafood feast.
We are out of the market now, looking for more. and seeing what we can find. Oh wow, look at this, look at this. Oh my, this is insanely huge. We just found the monster-sized tacos al pastor. Hola, hola, tacos al pastor. Oh, I can't believe what we just found. Hola, señor. Wow, that is monster-sized. Torta de al pastor. This is the biggest al pastor spit that I have ever seen. Uno torta al pastor, por favor. Y dos tacos al pastor, por favor. We're gonna have to order this up. What? It's like the size of a bear. It's like a bear. Okay, so he's gonna put the quesadillas down. And then you've got all of this pork here, marinated in achiote seed, and just this huge flame. He's got the soft French bread that he's gonna put on the grill as well, and the juices are gonna soak. This one does not have a pineapple on top, but we chose it just because of the amazing size. He's got the bread, and it's soaking up all of that al pastor juice. Oh, and it just looks so tender. Okay, sí, gracias, señor. And onion and cilantro, and then right on the grill. Oh yeah, this is just insanely impressive. Doing the same thing with the tacos. That is monster sized. And I'm just loving how the juice is dripping from the meat, and he's just slowly turning it. Oh, sizzling, look at that. It's so beautiful. Gracias, señor. It's so beautiful. Gracias, señorita. Gracias, señor. Gracias. Oh, and lime. Gracias, señorita. Okay, let's go try it out. Look at that monster. Absolute beauty of a bun and meat, al pastor meat with all of the onion and cilantro. And then we've got two al pastor tacos here. They give you lime. Some places serve with cheese, others don't. I think this one doesn't. That's fine. The bread to meat ratio on this, to me, looks a little scarce, but that is fine. We chose this one for the pure shock factor of just walking up and seeing it. It looks so good. Put a little salsa on there, and a little bit of this tomatillo, avocado, just a little bit. Oh, it's just plump. It's just bulging out. And this is actually not Yucutan cuisine, but we were walking by and just saw the massive pork on a spit there and had to try it out. That's it. You know what? Actually, the flavor is not bad, but I feel like it's a little dry. I think it's a little dry, and same with the corn tortilla. But I know there's excellent al pastors everywhere. Maybe next time we'll have to go to the little tiny one over there. It might be a little more juicy. But what I love about al pastor, regardless, is the spicy flavor from the achiote, the pepper, and just drizzling it with salsa is very, very delicious and fun.
After that dry al pastor sandwich and taco, we made our way out to the seaside, a short drive from Merida, and found a local restaurant right on the beach serving up a ton of classic Yucatan dishes.
The beach. There should be a bunch of restaurants around. Hopefully some delicious food. Awesome, guys. We made it to the beach. I feel a little out of place because we didn't actually come here for the beach. We came here for shrimp and seafood. So let's explore and see if we can find it. Look at this. I think you can just roll up, sit underneath one of these, and order a bunch of seafood. Gracias. Awesome. Look at this, guys. Oh yeah. We've got a beautiful menu full of seafood. Wow. Okay. ¿Qué es?
Tikinchik.
Tikinchik. Gracias, señor. Whoa. Gracias. Okay, finish. Oh, first up, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this ceviche. Wow. White fish covered in fresh onion, tomato, and it's actually cooked in lime. The lime cooks it through. They give you some grapefruit and some fresh veg. There's actually shrimp in there too. Look, lots of beautiful shrimp. shrimp and fish ceviche from heaven. And then look at this over here. We have banuchos, pork on top of a crispy tostada, pickled purple onion, avocado. Oh, it looks absolutely insane. And then look at this beauty right here. Oh yeah, fried octopus. And I believe they actually serve it, look at that glaze there. That is a tamarind chili sauce. It's absolutely gorgeous. On top of rice with some veg. This is gonna be so delicious. And then look at this here. This is the Tikinchik, which is, oh yeah, look at that, local fish, from the ocean, covered in a chili sauce, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and then I'm just loving the absolutely beautiful pico de gallo that they give you here. So much fresh tomato, onion, salsa, pico de gallo. And then look at the real beauties here. Shrimp tacos. Look at this, guys. I can't believe we're here. Squeeze a bunch of beautiful lime on there and maybe a little bit of habanero salsa just to spice it up, and also some pico de gallo. And then get a big, look at that. Oh, all of that fish, peppery, cooked in lime, tomato, onion, soft. Oh yeah. This is what we came to Mexico for, right there. Shrimp, oh, juicy shrimp, fresh fish, and tons of flavor. Let's try that out. Oh yeah. The shrimp and the fish are so soft. And there is a strong lime flavor in there, very peppery. You can tell they put a lot of black pepper in there. It is the perfect fresh flavor. Let's make a octopus taco here. Look at that. Let's just rip off a couple tentacles. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. A couple tentacles right in a tortilla. Right in there. Pico de gallo, a little lime, right on the beach. And then what it really needs is this tamarind sauce. This is a tamarind chili sauce on there. And we're just gonna put a bit in there. That is just so colorful. Let's just put a bit of habanero sauce and lime, and that is just gonna be the ultimate flavor. The octopus is actually a bit crispy, a bit soft, and also rubbery. You've got a real squishy texture there. That tamarind is sour, tangy, and sweet. And the octopus is crispy and spongy, a little rubbery and soft. It's the ultimate texture.
After tasting the Tikinchik, which tasted a little bit like a slightly tangy chicken soup cooked in a spicy paste made from achiote seeds and sour orange, along with the shrimp tacos, which were quite average, we made our way back to town.
Gotta give a huge thank you to Javier for showing us around here behind the scenes. It was a lot of fun. Thank you, buddy.
Man, I hope you have enjoyed your time.
Oh, it's been a great time.
I hope to see you really soon.
Thank you, man. Thank you. It's been a great time in Merida. I would love to know what you thought about this video in the comments below. Please click that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much, guys.